Okay, I want to give you a good idea of what the school looks like. Here it is from the street. It's the only building around. It sticks out like a sore thumb, and it's huge, and it's beautiful. So we can't thank you all enough for what you've done to help make this thing a possibility. I'm going to sneak back in here. Shukriya. As you enter the school, there's the guard shack. There's a guard here 24/7. Like I think most of you know, we changed the front of the building at some point. They decided they wanted to make it look uh, more bank-like or something. Put these two columns in the front, that peaked roof up there. Definitely makes it an impressive structure. Oh, they showed us the sign this morning. Check this out. I wish they would have just put Jesus at the bottom, but there it is. We're officially going to be on the wall. Everything's painted and beautiful. It's just an amazing amount of work that happened for the small investment that everybody made. That's like the teacher's lounge, but obviously they're using it for classes. And you can hear the children already learning. They didn't even officially start school yet, but they're here to get books or get uniforms and shoes today. The classes are bright and beautiful. Good morning. Good morning. The children are hungry to learn, I believe. The teachers are well equipped. We have one that's pre-med. This young lady here is pre-med. But we have good teachers. We have lots of eager students. So there you go. That's what the classrooms look like. Then back here is where our family lives, the caretaker family. So they're right straight back here. Him and his wife. The girls' restroom. The boys' restroom. And then our caretaker back here has 3 kids that are all attending school as well. So him and his wife and their 3 kids are going to live here, do the custodian work, caretaker of the building. So they're here 24/7 as well. And this is the upstairs. We haven't finished this. The plan is to put some rooms to stay in up here. So each room, like this will be one room. It'll have a kitchen back here. This is like the, I don't know, lounge area or whatever. And there's a bedroom and a bathroom, restroom. And back here's another room. There's another room right here on the right. Same thing, bedroom, restroom over there. Bedroom, restroom over here. So we'll have places to stay. Won't cost us. Right now we're paying $50 a night at a fancy hotel because the Renew Center, the Catholic place, is under construction and remodeled. Here's something I wanted to show everybody. If you solar, they got quite the setup going here. 48-volt setup. So 4 big batteries, 1,800 amp hours. I think 1,800 amp hour 2 batteries. So they're pretty fancy. A great controller. Here's the view from the 2nd floor into the garage parking area, play area for the kids, I guess. And I want to take you up on the roof and let you see what that looks like with the solar panels up there. We can't, none of this would have been possible without everybody pitching in. So like everybody like trying to give me credit for this. I was the guy that came and God put it on my heart, but none of this would have been possible without y'all. This is, they'll use this for outdoor classes in the winter when it cools off. Right now it's going to be close to 100 degrees today. Humidity is absolutely terrible. We were soaking wet yesterday. Like, we couldn't wait to get back to the air conditioning. That's one benefit of our $50 a night hotel room is it has air conditioning where the renewal center would not have had. And then we're up on the roof, and just check out these solar panels. They're 500 watts a piece. So there's 2,000 watts here, 2, 4, 6, 8,000 watts of solar panel. So during the day when they got all the fans running and everything going on in here, they have more than enough juice to run the whole school during the day. In the wintertime, I guess that will be a struggle. And then they got a 700, I think he said it was 750 gallon water tank up here. And the well that they punched, they went down, I think they told me 200 feet for the well. So they went down 200 feet for the well, but they got enough water they can fill that tank in, what did he tell me? 30 minutes? I don't know, crazy. That's a huge tank, and there's enough water in that well to fill that tank in a short amount of time. So basically what I'm saying is we got a very nice structure, and it's all thanks to y'all and everything you invested. Please keep these guys in prayer, because there's a lot of work to be done yet. As far as they're going to put a wire here, let me flip the camera around. They're going to put a wire across the top here. That's part of making this a government certified school. So they're going to put like an electrical wire across the top of there, and then they got to put security cameras in. So all that before we can have a government certified school. So there's still more to do. Like the floor, once they're cured, they'll come in and they'll grind them off and make them smooth, polish them, whatever. So there's still a lot of work to be done, but we're open. And the kids are going to get to learn, and the work will continue. We have probably a good part of the money to make it all happen. To you all. So what we really need now is prayers that it all just works, that everybody does what they're supposed to do here. Like I said, we got great teachers. One of them is pre-med, and they're all from just the village down the road. So thank God. He's put it all together, and we can't be more thankful. Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Yes, fine.
Good. One of our teachers. But yeah, pray, please. Keep praying for this place. God bless you. Love you.